Boy, people, welcome to Cook and Vibe, man. My name is MR. This is Cook and Vibe. You get me? Yes, we're in Jamaica still. Boy, you know what I'm saying? So it's the morning time. I said, you know what? We got to do some traditional Jamaican breakfasts. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, today, people, we're doing stewed chicken back with yam and green banana. You see me? Yeah, man, it's a YY thing, you know what I'm saying? So we're there in the garden, we're there, all our vibes, do some breakfast in the morning time. You get me? Yeah, you know how the thing go. Let's get into today's episode. YY. I've just been to the shop. As you can see it there. Groceries been made. Yeah. Got my chicken back. Browning. You get me? Back to the yard. Do some cooking. Yeah, man. Traditional stewed chicken breakfast. You understand? Yeah. So there I walk. Yeah, man, nice vibes today, Sunday, so I'm just chilling now. And yeah, this is a very traditional breakfast, so yeah, man, why are we? What though, people? I feel like I'm going on a little mission for a bit of yam or a breadfruit. Yeah, cause we have the stewed chicken for the breakfast. We got the green bananas them already. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like I'm going on one little mission to try to get one breadfruit, a piece of yam. You know what I'm saying? The chicken back we're using today, green banana. You understand? So yeah, man. Why? So yeah, we've cleaned up our chicken back and now we're gonna cut it up. As you can see, that is what the chicken back looks like. That's what it looks like. Just the back of the chicken, pretty much. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna cut this up now. And start seasoning. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Chicken back, well, traditional stewed chicken back style. You get me? Yeah, man, traditional breakfast. You get this everywhere out here. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna take some of that skin off and use that little trick there that Sunrise did teach me before. You know what I'm saying? Why are you people? It's Cook and Vibe. Hey people, yeah, so our chicken back is nice and clean now. You get me? I'm gonna season it with this all-purpose seasoning and this spicy to the bone. And we've got some brown in there. Obviously, we're gonna cut up the vegetables and things next, but yeah, we're gonna season that with them first, and then yeah, why? So basically, there's no firelighters in Jamaican people, so you have to find your own firelighters. So basically, what I've got down here is just some like some like little dry leaf and stick and them thing there, you know what I'm saying, and trying to catch my fire alight for the coal pot, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. So yeah, as you can see, I'll put like the dry leaf and stuff inside there, and then we put the coal on top, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna use some plastic bag. We're gonna use this plastic bag, light the bag, and drip the fire onto here to light it. You know what I'm saying? Woy, it's Cooking Vibe Season 7, traditional Jamaican breakfast, stewed chicken. Woy. Yo, it's not easy to get I'm learning the Jamaican style. I think this has been the hardest thing for me so far, is using the coal pot with no fire lighters and the plastic bag and leaf and everything there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, fire's nearly up and running. We're gonna sort our green bananas out, put our yam onto boil. You get me? And then we've got brown shoe ricking. I'm gonna brown shoe ricking. Brown shoe chicken. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop up my vegetables now. Just gonna go inside here in a minute. Yes, people. So I'll chop up my vegetables now. I've got my brown onion, I've got green pepper, I've got scallion, and I've got nice Jamaican tomato. If you notice, all the Jamaican tomatoes look the same. They're kind of like longer. So yeah, we're just gonna cut up our seasonings now. You get me, man? I hope everybody's all right. I hope you're enjoying the season. You get me? Yeah, been putting in a lot of work, and I think everybody, we can all agree on it's always better. Cooking Vibe's always better when I'm in Jamaica, you know. So I'm gonna try and get as much content this time to kind of like last us up until like maybe like Christmas time or something like that, and then after that, what I'll do is I'll just forward back to Jamaica again and do it again, because I think I will obviously do some episodes in the UK, but I just think mainly just focus on being out here. You get me, Carl? It just makes sense, and that's true. Yeah, so yeah, cut up my vegetables. Everything's fresh out here, man. Everything's so fresh and just like easy to cut, and just smells like really strong and stuff like that. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. We're doing traditional Jamaican stewed chicken breakfast. Yam, green banana. Why yo? What we're gonna do is we're gonna fry off the chicken first for about 5-10 minutes, and then we're gonna add all the vegetables into the pot. Do you know what I'm saying? There's some music playing outside there, so yeah, I'm just gonna film it. And what yo, it's Cooking Vibe, man. Traditional Jamaican breakfast. people. So to go with our brown stew chicken back, we've got a piece of yam and some green bananas off them. They can go in the pot same time. Yam takes about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how much. And these take about 20 minutes. You get me? So 15, 20 minutes, say. So we just put that all in the same pot. Do you know what I'm saying? Look at that nice big Jamaican grapefruit. We're gonna do something special with that. Bananas, apple, there's just fruits and stuff everywhere here, man. You get me? I love it. Why? Cook and vibe. Yeah, man, chicken al guan, man. Yeah, so I can add all this stuff now. Just gonna dash all this in one time. Sometimes I do it by steps, but Sunday, can't bother with it long, you know? Yes, people, so now we've got all our vegetables and our chicken inside. We'll just give that a nice stir around, get all the vegetables and the seasonings and everything mixed up nicely together. You get me? Why? And then we're just gonna cover it. Yeah, man, we're just gonna cover it and leave it. And why? Look at that. Yeah, man, traditional stewed chicken breakfast thing, you understand? Green banana, yam. Oi! Look on that, people. Oi! Yeah! Nice yellow yam, green banana, nearly done. Chicken's nearly done. I think I'm gonna make some juice. Yeah! So I've got my empty bottle. And I've got this citrus punch. And basically it's, this is Grace. Grace is citrus punch. And basically you just add water. Yeah, you just add water, people. Really simple and easy to make. Add it in there like that. And then some water. Yeah! And all you do is shake it up now. You get me? Simple things. Put it in a glass with some ice. And we're good to go. Yeah. Let's taste this one. I've never tasted this one before. Never tasted this one before. Well, that's really nice. Orangey, citrusy, pineapple-y, passion fruity. Yeah, nice, man. Yeah, it's hot. So the food's nearly done. Yeah, man, so we're going. Why?
Get Miguel's jerk yard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why? Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. Let me show you around the garden. Banana trees. You get me? Lovely little garden, man. Chill out area there. You get me? Around here, and if you look up there, you see the bananas? Yeah, man, bananas growing up there. This is a soursop tree. But like it's not bearing no fruit. You know what I mean? There's a little lizard there. Oh, he's gone. Is he gone? Yeah, man. Right. Oh, down there. Nice garden, man. Yeah, this is the front. Front there. And funny, yeah, because there's a little crab. There's a little crab down this hole there. He pops up every now and again, just pops up out of that hole. Yeah. Yeah, go on, man. Mangoes there. See the mangoes them there? See the mango up there? There's loads of mangoes on that tree. What heap of mango? Yeah, I'm not sure what this tree is. But yeah, food's nearly done, man. A little tour of the place. We're in Portland. Yeah, man. Oh, there's one next part as well. This is the next part. That's right. Yeah. This man's little cooking area. This is the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. Yeah, man. And obviously, I've done showed you a few times. The apples. You see the apples then? Loads and loads of apples. I've eaten so many of these apples since I've been here. Oi, oi. Yeah. Traditional Jamaican breakfast. Stewed chicken, green banana, and yam. You know what I'm saying? Yes, people. Oi, oi. Yes, people. Taste time. Yeah, so let's go straight into some chicken. Something about chicken back, man. Telling you. Something about chicken back. Perfect. Green banana. Lovely with the gravy. The stewed chicken, you know. Yam. Again, lovely with the gravy. The stewed chicken. It's a good look, people. You see me? Yeah, man, stewed chicken back. Yam, green banana. Traditional Jamaican breakfast. Hope you enjoyed it. Big up section. I'll see you soon. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. YOI people, big up section. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Do you know what I mean? Like I say, it's a very traditional Jamaican breakfast. I'm going to show you some more traditional Jamaican breakfasts as well. You get me, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm tired. You know what I mean? You got to keep working. You can't stop working. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So big up Weave. Says loving it. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Respect and manners. And also big up Hutchinson Johnson. He says, that's why I love Jamaica so much. My home, my place, St. Thomas. Yes, my brother. St. Thomas is beautiful, beautiful part of the island. You get me? Make sure you go check it out if you're here in Jamaica. Big up Ras Kitchen and all them man there. Isn't it? See you soon.